Recently, Google has updated their conversational agent platform Dialogflow CX into more advanced and LLM based platform called Conversational Agents. In this video, let's understand the changes, understand the platform itself, and create our first conversational agent on the platform. Hi, this is Kapadia. Let's get started. So I am here on conversationalagents.cloud.google.com/projects. You will see all the GCP projects here. If you are new to GCP, then you can create your first project here. Once you select the project, the platform will list down all the agents or conversational agents created under the project. You can see I have a demo conversational agent. I'll go to create agent button, and when I click there, we'll see three options. Use a pre-built agent, build your own, and create a Q&A agent. Since we are learning the platform, I'll go with build your own conversational agent, and when I click on it, it will pop up a form. First, I'll give a name. Then I'll select the location where everything will live. So I'll choose global. Then there is a time zone. Choose the time zone according to your location. Then there is conversation start. Now this is new thing. Either you can choose a playbook to start the conversation or a flow to start the conversation. So at this point, I'll go with playbook and hit create. So this is the view that you see when you create a new conversational agent. I'll first minimize this. This view can be very intimidating because there are so many information here. On the left hand side, you will see we have agent overview, playbooks, flows, tools, and bunch of other things. On the top right hand side, we have a couple of things. There is settings. One interesting thing is toggle simulator. So when I click on it, you will interact with the agent in a simulator. You can choose which environment, which starting point to test. So if I go to this build section, there is playbooks, flows, and tools. Let's first understand flows. So if you have previously worked on Dialogflow CX platform, this is the same interface where you can create flows, create pages inside a flow, create intents, entities, webhook for the flow or page, then route groups, generators, and bunch of other things. So consider flow is a strict rule-based intent identification workflow, while playbook is more free flow LLM based conversation. Then there is a tools. These tools are a way for playbooks to interact with external information. There are many different types of tool supported in this conversational agent platform. Now if I go to agent overview and try to test the agent by saying hi, you will see no response appears. It says NLU model for flow something does not exist, and that's totally fine. So what I'll do, I'll go to default generative playbook. You'll see there is a goal and instruction. I'll say greet the user, and here in the instruction I'll say greet the user. When I save this, and if I say hi again, at this point you will see hello, how can I help you today response from the conversational agent, and I'm sure you understand that it is coming from this playbook default generative. Let me get rid of this default generative Playbook. There is so much to explore on Google Conversational Agent platform. I have a whole series planned for this conversational agent on my YouTube channel, so watch out my YouTube channel for more updates on Google Conversational Agent. I guess this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge from this video. If you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to that. It helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.